11 a.m. appointment for a car pickup. Who do I speak to?
Oh, are you picking up your car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can help you. Got it. I checked you in. Somebody will come and pick you and get you, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm waiting for someone to come down and do my paperwork. And then I'll really be on my way. One thing I do not like doing is sitting in car dealerships for 4 or 5 hours. That shit is insane to me. So yeah, everything should be done before I get in.
On the dash of the car. Just check it out for sure.
You said mine's on charger, right? So
It
it's
should be
not
on the charge, yes. I'll probably drive that out.
on the roof. This is where they deliver all the new cars. So mine's is apparently on the charger right now. So should be up here in a second. So now I'm just kind of waiting. Patiently waiting for my car to finally get up here. Look at all the patience I've been showing. They said that they're bringing it up now, so it should be here any second. And the big reveal on the Tesla that I customized, and they found to deliver in like 2 days. Delivery of the Tesla, but the battery was a little dead, so I'm having them charge it right now, and it's pretty much done charging. So he's about to go pull it off the charger and bring it back around. But their app is pretty cool. Like I can see actively that he hasn't got back there yet because it's still on charger, but so far so good. But once it finally comes back, I'll actually get to sit in it because I legit, it was too hot. I was like, go put it on the charger, let's cool the car down, and then I'll get in it once that happens. So I actually haven't sat in the car, been in it physically at all. Sitting in my new Tesla, all right. First time. Ooh, that new car smell. Okay, what's going on, y'all? So I took delivery of my new 2026 Tesla Model Y, and there were some accessories that I did some research on, and I decided to pick up like as soon as I got the car. So the first one is the tempered glass screen protector. So I'm gonna throw that on. And then I got the center control, the armrest storage box. Since it's just a huge space down in there, I think that this will be beneficial so I can kind of organize some things in there. Then I went and grabbed some mud flaps. Since it doesn't come with them, these are some that you can just do by yourself and put on. And then I got these Tesla puddle lights that I'm gonna install on the car now. So those were the 4 accessories I got. I didn't get any sunscreens or anything like that yet. I'm gonna be tinting the car maybe in the next week or so, so I'll see if I really need it. But other than that, I think these are the things that were priority for me right now. I'm new to Tesla, don't know a whole bunch about it, but it's an EV and I'm trying to get into the EV space, so this is my first one, so we'll see how it goes. So I'll go ahead and install these accessories and then we'll kind of go from there. So take it out of the box. All right. So I still have my actual plastic on since I just got it. So right now I shouldn't have anything on the screen at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my screen protector on here. So next we're going to install the puddle lights. So we'll take out the old ones first. And you should just have to pop this out with a flat head. All right. So once you get it on, all right, cool. And you should just have to use that flat head to depress. Hopefully it's enough light. It's a little tab, you push, kind of push down at the top, and then after that, it kind of slides right out. So it's super easy. Put my new one in. I got some blue ones. I'll show you guys once it's in. So that's, what was that, like 15, 20 seconds? And we got the new one in. Let me show you what it looks like. Let's put my camera down. All right, it's kind of light in here, but that's what it looks like. It has the Tesla logo on the ground, so that was super easy.